by the goal. Strong friend from the outside, speed to reaches. Okidoki, moving up by Daryl is my lucky one. Also rushing up is Devil in disguise. Okidoki, violent can have followed by my lucky one. Devil in disguise, racing third by Daryl on the outside is speed to reaches. Siklug also moving up in between runner, strong friend, make no mistake, strong boy, red hot water, Maricor's charm, and Una Mujer is running at the tail of the field. And rounding the far turn, my lucky one by the Okidoki, strong friend also rushing up is Siklug, a long shot. Rounding the far turn, my lucky one by head, strong friend Okidoki. Speed to riches is racing in fourth from the outside. Devil in disguise, red hot water as they raise the final corner. My lucky one by a length and a half, followed by a strong friend. Speed to riches, Okidoki, make no mistake by Darrell. And on the outside, Devil in disguise and red hot water. Maricor's charm, strong boy, and nearing the finish line. My lucky one. Speed to riches, strong friend, close for fourth among make no mistake, strong boy, devil in disguise.